Hi, it's Michelle Einstein, SongBirdsong. Mainstreaming clues to you. It's about the school community. SKOOL wants to help you create and good. Want to help you create good communities. My community is a community of listeners and questioners, mirrors. For example, if someone says, I'm depressed, you mirror them and question them. Are you depressed? They will hear it and their brain will release it. It's temporary until you get to the origin of their depression, but at least you can free them up for the moment. So we have mother therapists do talk and share therapy. This is my community. Grandmother therapists who do talk and share therapy. Father therapists who do talk and share therapy. Grandfather therapists, talk and share therapists. Brother therapists. And other therapists who do talk and share therapy. School also wants to help you build good businesses. Business decoded. Be us, pleasuring energy, essential, valuable services and or products. Okay, that's the business. My business is mainstreaming clues to the marginalized. The clues to getting your brain, the source, to get you the life you want. Read the book, The Source, by Tara Swart, MD, PhD, and read Discover the Hidden You by Dr. Miles Monroe. He says in his book, The Secret to Living the Good Life, you were not created to be intimidated by your environment. Okay, now the clues I want to give you. YouTube videos to watch. Golden Hour by JVKE, the official music video of Golden Hour. And another video, YouTube video, One Moment in Time by Whitney Houston. A third video, Believe by Josh Groban. A fourth video, When You Wish Upon a Star, Your Dream Comes True. At Jazz Every Day by Wessler Whitfield. Dream Decoded. Dr. Freud, Freud, Dr. Fritz and Laura Pearls. They founded Gestalt therapy. As you know, Dr. Freud is the father of psychology. I am the reincarnation of these people, of Dr. Freud, of Laura Pearls, of Emma Young, of Dr. Joyce brothers. My psychiatrist said to me today when I told her that I was a reincarnation of Sigmund Freud, she said, I wish I was Freud. So she can be Freud by joining my group and asking questions of people who call in with troubling emotions that they don't quite know what they are, and they need someone to listen to them and help them own their emotions. There's another book I can recommend. It's called The Normalcy Myth by Dr. Mate, M-A-T-E. And he talks about our illnesses stem from our repressed emotions. I didn't read the book yet. I'm buying it this month. I'm reading these two books now. And they help each other. They help me to understand the other. This is the religious point of view, and this is the scientific point of view. She says, the secrets of the universe, which is what he knows or knew. He passed away. His son is taking his place. But his teachings are totally helpful to you in this book. They will be, if your mind is open. So the source is the secrets of the universe and the science of the brain. Okay, she was raised a vegetarian. She was raised to believe in reincarnation. She was raised a vegetarian, as I am, and I have been over 50 years, a lacto-vegetarian. So and she was raised with Ayurvedic medicine, which I completely subscribe to. Dr. Deepak Chopra says, the source marries universal truths with scientific rigor for a persuasive, important exploration of the law of attraction. Deepak Chopra, MD, best-selling author of MetaHuman. Dr. Chopra said when he was practicing medicine in the West, he felt like a drug pusher. So he went back to India and learned natural medicine. So he incorporates both in his practice. Dr. Wayne Dyer was a friend of Dr. Deepak Chopra. Dr. Wayne Dyer is going to be reincarnated as my son. All right, so that's all I'm going to talk about for this video. I can't tell you how helpful the videos I'm recommending for inspiration and the books I'm recommending for inspiration and information. And the videos have information in them as well. They could be very helpful to you, so I hope you will check them out. This is Michelle Einstein, SongBirdsong, signing off for now.